I know you moved on to someone new. Hope life is beautiful. You were the light for me to find my truth. I just wanna say thank you.
Leaving to find my soul. Told her I had to go. And I know it ain't pretty when our hearts get broke. Too young to feel this old, watching us both turn cold. Oh, I know it ain't pretty when two hearts get broke. Yeah, I know it ain't pretty when two hearts get broke.
I hope someday we'll sit down together and laugh with each other about these days, these days. All our troubles we'll lay to rest, and we wish we could come back to these days, these days. These days, these days. These days, these days.
3 years of ups and downs, nothing to show for it now. And I know it ain't pretty when the fire burns out. Calling me when I'm drunk, remind me of what I've done. And I know it ain't pretty when you're trying to move on.
Oh, yeah. I hope someday we'll sit down together and laugh with each other about these days, these days. All our troubles we'll lay to rest, and we wish we could come back to these days, these days. Oh, I know, I know. Oh, I know, I know. Oh, I know, I know. These days, these days. Oh, I know, I know. Oh, I know, I know. Oh, I know, I know. These days, these days.
Cigarettes in the ashtray, reminiscing on those past days. I thought you didn't know my last name, but that changed. And I traveled around the world, think where you living at now. I heard you moved to Austin, got an apartment and settled down. And every once in a while, I start texting, write a paragraph, but then I delete the message. Think about you like a pastime. I could cry you a river, get you baptized. Or I wasn't ready to act right. Used to always think I'd get you back right. They say that things fall apart. We were gonna move to Brooklyn, you were gonna study art. Love is just a tool to remind us who we are, and that we are not alone when we're walking in the dark.
I hope someday we'll sit down together and laugh with each other about these days, these days. All our troubles we'll lay to rest. We wish we could come back to these days, these days. We wish we could come back to these days, these days, these days.
Yikes, forgot sunglasses. Oh my god. Gonna die today. Happy 4th of July! It's so cute. Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July! Pop up on me! Where the police at? The police right there! Aww, shining stars. So cute. You okay? Woo! This is a lot. America!
Jack! Hey. What's up?
Nice.
I want to see a view though. Holden!
You are my candy.
Wait, get me a Morgan.
Hi, Morgan's vlog. It's Kaden. Join the fun, do sailing. Morgan's vlog. You read this, just pause to read it. It's great, really fun. You get free candy one day of the year. And water, all free. guaranteed.
It's a really nice bathroom.
Nice bathrooms for boys and girls. There's chairs, boats, food sometimes.
Video games for the stalls.
There's icicles.
All kinds of fun, really.
Everything you could wish for.
Yes. Everything we could wish for.
PS4s.
We do
Yes.
We do an annual
PS4s
PS4
in the
giveaway.
joint.
Kaden, the best personality on the internet, just want to say hi and hello. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the internet, world of the internet, the webs of the net. Welcome. Happy 5th of July. To all. Good night.
I think having a lot more like that makes sense.
Yay! Good job, Will.
One, go!
I love my job. Wait, raise it up in the air so I can do circle of life. It's the circle of life. And then
Sail over there and then tip him.
okay, Annabelle.
It's called
Where did you go? Did you use our printer?
Amazing.
So has anyone seen this man? He is on the loose. Dead. He's wanted dead or alive. There's a $100,000, $10,000 reward.
Dead of alive?
No, it says or.
Simply not in his boat at all.
Hey guys, we're gonna pull a big prank on Morgan. Somebody hide in one of those. Somebody hide in one of those. Hide in the rudder one.
Wait, Morgan.
No, guys, stop.
Morgan, say hi to the vlog.
Don't vlog, Janice.
Hi.
They're just whispering. They're not talking because I started getting talk for video.
I'm not fucking talking. No, I thought I found this. Oh, I apologize. Kaylin.
Yeah, we'll get her another time.
Look at me.
You have to intimidate everyone.
Oh, Eddie.
Gymnastics, don't cut any scrubs,
Yes, you got it.
Smoking good pressure.
Help me, I'm stranded.
Yeah, we smoking rocket ships. Like Dennis Rodman.
Slow, you have to wait in line, but if you drop it fast, you can tell them like, I'm dropping, and they'll just get out of your way. You guys are supposed to actually be sailing. Really balling.
Will, are you on the phone? Fletcher, what happened? Sophia. Gotta get